Hi, TR here. This video is about the budgeting assignment. It's the first one in the financial wellness, which is part of the fifth module in our course. So, make sure you understand that you need to review carefully lessons 1, 2, and 3 before you begin the budgeting assignment. Once you're ready to do that, you click on the link, and then you'll get to the budgeting content page. You will see a link to a video that I'm currently recording right now. And there's an introduction, and the first part of this assignment is about using technology, smartphone or whatever technology you want to use to track your saving and spending. Okay? So like we say, for many, it's more convenient than using a spreadsheet. Your choice, because you do have an alternative assignment. The alternative assignment is we provide you with a spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet. You will complete that spreadsheet, and then you will answer the questions that the template will provide for you. So on the first part, or the first section, it's in one or the other. Please understand, one or the other. Your step 1 is setting your financial goal. Your step 2 is choosing a budgeting app. Step 3 is using the app. Step 4 is creating your review. Now, you will have a template. You are expected to use the template. There's 8 parts to the budgeting app that you are doing, the top part of this assignment, and you submit it to the assignment folder test a budgeting app. Okay, so say your parents have issues with you putting this information on technology, putting it out there in the ether world. All right, so if that's an issue, if you don't want to use technology to create a budget, then what we've done for you is we've created this alternative budgeting assignment. Again, it's test a budgeting assignment, the top part of this content page, or the alternative budgeting assignment, the bottom part of this page. So, this is what the budgeting template will look like, and I will share that with you shortly. This is a link to that budgeting spreadsheet, and this is a link to the alternative assignment budgeting app template. It has 6 components. You submit 2 parts in the alternative, the spreadsheet, and your review to the assignment folders, alternative budgeting. Okay, so let's take a look at the budgeting app. We've got the template. This is the link, and this is what the template looks like. No, it doesn't. Let's try that again. This is what it looks like. So make sure you put your name, your financial goal, carefully read this information, add your goal here. Then answer these 2 questions, depth, detail, and personalization. Here, name of app, cost of app, the operating system. Operating systems like for Androids are typically Microsoft, could be all kinds of alternatives, and if it's a Mac-based, an Apple-based, it would be a Mac operating system. Explain the app's key features and why you chose the app. You do it here. Do not do it underneath this chart. Did the app save you money? Why or why not? Evaluation of the app's effectiveness. Explain and describe aspects. Explain and describe aspects that are not useful. Depth, detail, and personalization. What did you learn? How does this connect to other areas? And how can this knowledge be of value to your family? Depth, detail, and personalization. The marking rubric. We go, the rubric, the spectrum goes from right to left, where we talk about limited and undeveloped, to thorough, extensive, detailed, personal examples are provided. And the template connection, this is the program of studies outcome that we're dealing with here, and the template connection is test the budgeting app. Same thing here. We move across right to left. limited and insufficient to extensive. Okay, this is how I will be marking this assignment. So let's minimize. The alternative assignment, budgeting spreadsheet. The budgeting spreadsheet will look like this right here, if I can open it. There we go. And you need to fill in this information. It will do totals for you at the bottom of each section, calculating your income, deductions, fixed expenses, variable expenses, etc. Okay, total for savings, investing, or debt if negative. All right, so that's what you would fill for the alternative assignment. And the template looks like this. Now, the first part of the template asks you if you've filled in these sections in the spreadsheet. And that's a simple yes or no answer. Then you're adding your goal, and you're putting your financial goal here. Key it in here, and then you're answering these questions. And scroll as you work through. Depth, detail, and personalization. Depth, detail, and personalization. And the rubric is the same rubric that we use above. And the template connection will be, in this case, the alternative budgeting app. If you have any questions, issues, or concerns, oh, no, that's not true. I do want to show you the assignment tips, the budgeting assignment tips. And here is the video that explains, and here is the information that you need to understand before you submit. Always critical that you understand and follow these directions. Okay, if you have any questions, issues, or concerns, please feel free to let me know. Use your private discussions, and do take care, and have a great day. Bye now.